Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about how can upload and download the program into the Siemens Smart S7-200 PLC. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our SMATIC S7-200 software. Step 7 microwin, that one. This is the version 3.0. We have to be open this Step 7 microwin software version 2.8. So when this interface will open, and after you can just click it on the upload. But before upload, I want to show the video in my camera. You can see this is our PLC and I am communicate with the Ethernet. So you have to be connect this cable with your PLC, and after you have to be connect your cable with your PC Ethernet port, and after you have to be make the some settings first before uploading in the PC. You have to be go there, right click it on your Wi-Fi address and go to the network and internet setting. When you go there, after you can see here is a Ethernet option. Click it on this one, and after you can see this is the IP address. Must be when you like to upload your PC IP and your PLC IP will be same. So here you can easily click it on the edit. After you can change this IP. So I no need to be change this IP, and click save and cancel this one. And after here, how can see your IP of the PLC? Just when you click it on the upload, and after you see the interface, and here you have to be select just in the communication, here this Realtek PCIe GBE family controller TCP IP auto 1. When you select this one, and after click it on the find CPUs, and again little find CPUs, and after you will be see if your PLC is connected and healthy. That's MAC address now showing, and your IP address showing. You can see this is 192.168.2.1. This is your IP address of your PLC. You can see it's now is showing this PLC is connected with our PC. It's very simple and easy method. Just click it on the OK, and after this interface will be open. What he says, upload blocks from the CPU. Select blocks to upload. Check if this blocks are not check mark, you must be all check mark. After you have to be click it on the upload. When you click it on the upload, which program is inside the PLC, that will be open. You can see all program is now uploaded successfully. And after, if you like to be monitor this program, you just go to the debug section. This is upside, you can see debug section, and here is a program status. Just click it on this one, and after your program will be monitor. You can see this is now all buttons and blocks are blue color, right? So again click it on the program status. After it will be stop monitoring. And if you like to be download this program into the PLC, so very simple, just click it on the download, and after you can see this same interface will be open, and now he is asking for the download blocks to the CPU. So here all buttons have to be check mark OK, and click it on the download. After he will ask the CPU put into the stop mode. Click it on yes, and after this program will be downloaded successfully, and it will be asking for again place the CPU into the run mode. And now basically your CPU is stop mode. Also this indication will be shows at the PLC. You can see this is now showing yellow color, but as when you click it on the yes, after your program will be healthy and this indication will be show green color. Now as your program is successfully downloaded into the PLC, and this you can cancel, and if you like to go to the reference and other things, if you like to be modify or something, modify, and again, and after this file where you like to be save, you can just go to the file, no sorry, this icon, click it on this one, and here you can save option, save as, and after you can create it here, new folder, just go to the desktop or anywhere where you like to be save your program, go to the desktop, and here you can create the new folder, and when your folder will be created, after you can double click it on this one, and here you can give the name, any name which is your choice, upload, and now your program is completely saved in the PC. So hope guys you will be understand about this uploading and downloading from the smart S7-200 PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.